I'm finishing charging the old AGM battery that we've been using for many years in Irene's business. The reason for that is I want to separate out the use of the new battery, that's the lithium ion battery, from the running of the display cases. In other words, I don't want to have the battery that we rely on for keeping the cell phones and the iPads charged up running out of juice. So I'm just charging. I've been working on our propane heater that we use in the tent in Irene's shop when it's really cold out. It's supposed to be below 50 degrees this coming event that we're going to. Unfortunately, the old buddy heater has too much brittle plastic. I needed to go ahead and clean out one of the pipes that goes to supply propane from the cylinder to the panels, and plastic was breaking all over the place. I'm just not comfortable trying to reassemble this unit and have it be safe. So I went out and I bought a new one. This one works. We just got home from a long event with Irene's business. Well, it's not all that long, but it's about a 10-hour drive. The great news is the air conditioner in the truck worked all the way there and all the way back. That's the first time that's really worked well in a number of years. I'll give you a rundown on what happened about the air conditioning. Time to go home, Isa. Well, an hour and 15 minutes later, I'm back at our gate. Get it all unlocked. Isa's in the car. Time to roll up to the house.